What's up, I'm Jonathan and welcome to Maker Tales, where I'm sharing my maker journey to help you go further in yours. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon to never miss an opportunity to keep making. In this video, I want to share with you 3 ideas of how to deal with laser scrap. When using a laser cutter, it is inevitable that there is going to be scrap, and it can feel quite useless, cumbersome, and quite frankly a pain to deal with. So let's go on and conquer our laser scrap. Of course, all what I'm about to mention here very much is dependent on the type of scrap that you have, but I've tried to keep these ideas as flexible as possible to fit almost any size, but primarily this is for small bits of scrap. Number 1. Consumables. From holding down pins, mixing sticks, to painting stands, if you are able to make something useful out of your scrap that you use in your production processes, this is one of the best ways to use your scrap to get it to work for you. Number 2. Blanks. Be it pins, badges, keyrings, or jewelry. There is an army of creative people without laser cutters looking for interesting shaped blanks for their next creations. Yes, returns can be low on blanks, but it's higher than just throwing the scrap in the bin. Plus, you always have the option of using the blanks yourself. And number 3, along the same lines as blanks, is puzzle pieces and mosaic tiles. These are a great little side project for oneself, or find another creative person or community that would love to get their hands on these. So that there are my thoughts on laser scrap and what I'm currently doing. It has worked out pretty well. To be honest, it makes it feel like the little bit of wood that I get left over is actually some sort of value to me. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, keep making, and let the quest continue.